Potpie AI just dropped, and if you're looking for the latest and greatest in AI software, you're in the right place. This review covers 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in, and trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because I'm going to reveal some insider tips about how this tool stacks up against others. Let's dive in. First, Potpie AI is packed with features that are perfect for businesses of all sizes, from content creators to marketers. One of the standout points here is how it helps automate content creation. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or even product descriptions, Potpie AI can generate high-quality text in minutes, saving you hours of work. It's essentially a virtual assistant that handles the grunt work of content production, so you can focus on what really matters: strategy and scaling your business. But here's the twist. Potpie AI doesn't just spit out generic content. The software is designed to write in your unique voice. It customizes the output based on your preferences, which means you're not stuck with robotic text. This is huge for anyone looking to maintain consistency in their brand tone. If you're in marketing, you know how important that is. Another crucial feature of Potpie AI is its seamless integration with other tools. If you've ever used AI software that's difficult to plug into your existing workflow, you know how frustrating it can be. Potpie AI is different. It connects smoothly with your other platforms, from email marketing to social media management, streamlining your entire process. That's a game changer for teams working on tight deadlines. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. Potpie AI is super user-friendly. Even if you're not a tech guru, you won't have trouble getting started. The interface is intuitive, and the setup process is quick. It's perfect for busy entrepreneurs who want to get results fast without spending hours learning how to use the software. But here's where it really shines: customization. Potpie AI lets you fine-tune its performance to match your specific needs. Whether you're running ads, writing SEO-friendly content, or creating automated workflows, you can adjust the settings to align with your goals. This level of control is something you don't see in a lot of AI tools, and it's definitely a feature that sets Potpie AI apart from the competition. Now, I know you're probably thinking about pricing. Potpie AI is incredibly affordable, especially given the value it provides. It offers a free trial, so you can test it out risk-free and see if it's right for you. If you're running a business, this is an easy choice. You get premium AI without the premium price tag. If you're curious about the tech behind Potpie AI, it's powered by one of the most advanced machine learning models, ensuring that its output is not just relevant, but also highly effective. The algorithms are constantly improving, which means the software learns from its mistakes and gets better over time. Another reason to give it a shot. I want to be real with you. There's a lot of AI software out there, but Potpie AI is definitely worth considering. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've put this one on my list of recommended software. You can try it for free from the link in the description below, and if you like it, you can dive deeper into its advanced features. Before you go, remember that I've got a list of other AI tools in the description that you can try for free. I've tested tons of them, so I only recommend the best for you. Check out the links and see which software can help you elevate your business today. Don't forget to check out Potpie AI and see how it can streamline your content creation process. It's a powerful tool that's just hit the market, and you won't want to miss it.